What is a lab? Physics lab, biology lab or any lab is a place where we can experiment, practice and learn practically. Lab faculty guides us in performing experiments or learning processes. Lab faculty guides students through the process and lab allows us to practice until we are successful. The lab is a place where we have different tools and materials to practice and improve our skills. What is language lab? Similarly, a language lab is a place where students can learn languages. The way we have tools, equipment, chemicals and specimens in our science labs, in the English language lab, we have several tools which teach and guide us to learn and practice languages. Language lab is the software which enhances the skills of a student, teaches English and enhances the ability to listen, speak, read and write. The main purpose of the language lab is to give free hands to the student so that without any fear and hesitation students should use the lab and improve their English skills. Digital Language Lab is not a spoken English software. Speaking English is one of the components of Language Lab software. English Language Lab enhances the overall English knowledge of the student. A teacher who monitored students showed less success than a teacherless language lab. Studies proved that when the teacher monitors the student closely, the student cannot practice freely. Hence, students should explore language labs under teacher guidance, but not under teacher monitoring. Teacher role should be only to guide students. That is, which concept is to be explored on that day, as per the syllabus. Teacher consoles. The student console is a very old concept. In this concept, the teacher can see all the students' screens and monitor the students. The main purpose of the language lab is to make the students explore the software and practice on their own. Language labs yield excellent results only when a student is guided by the teacher but not monitored. Let the students explore the software freely as they like. Remember that no one taught using smartphones to children and they are good at using the smartphone features far better than many adults. They learn by exploring various options. Similarly, let the students explore the software and learn themselves. As a teacher, tell them the importance of English in their life, guide them on how to use the lab, and hand over the software to them. The teacher's role should be limited to guiding the usage of the software. If the teacher starts monitoring, seeing into students' screen, and listening to what students is speaking, etc., it will increase students' fear of English more. Digital Teacher Language Lab is designed in such a way that anyone can easily explore the software. Thank you.